very beautiful, very supportive, and the beauty here and the persons, their hospitality is non-parallel. And please don't blame these people for this incident. This lady has her own past, and the whole incident is just because of that. And these persons are innocent and they are very beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah, we are staying last 5 days here.
Okay.
But we didn't feel like what the media is showing right now. We feel very safe, and we are roaming in night at 12, and we didn't feel like this. Just the media.
The Meghalaya is completely safe. Whatever the memories we made, whatever the memories we have collected from here, we can't put that into the words. This is completely helpful. All people of the Meghalaya are very helpful, very kind. The nature of the Meghalaya is very beautiful.
What is your message to the national media,
Please stop
social media?
Please stop showing these videos without
Verifying the news.
Without verifying the fact.
And
Whatever
without
happened,
evidence, you can't blame these people. And we are advocates also.
We are practicing Delhi High Court.
Okay.
It is a completely matter of a police and it's completely trial. Whatever is deciding in this case is decided by the honorable court, honorable judges.
But one thing is already decided. In this whole matter, these peoples are innocent. And only the national media, or kind of say that unverified facts, they are just tarnishing their image. So please stop these fake news.